Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Marina and today's video is going to be a little bit of a tip or a hack video. I see so many people comment on Facebook groups saying like if people post loads of shopping, they're like, how do you get all of that home? So normally when you're flying long haul, you only get 23 kg of baggage allowance weight, which it's fine for some holidays, but in others, in my experience, I found that I need 2 bags. So this is going to be a way to kind of save yourself money but to get maximum space. So if you'd like to know my little trick, keep on watching. Okay, so a lot of people are like, oh, I just buy another bag out there, which you could do, but why would you waste like $100 or 100 quid when you're out there to buy one, when you could just use another bag that you already have at home, if that makes sense. If you don't have one, I personally buy one because then you can always keep reusing it. But my number one tip is, when you're originally packing for your holiday, pack it in a small suitcase. Basically, if you pack it all in the smaller suitcase and then you put the small suitcase in the big suitcase, so you're packing everything to take out there in the small one and then you put the small one in the big one. So when you're flying out to your destination, you're going to have 2 bags, you're going to have a bag in a bag. That way, on your way home, you've got your spare bag, but on the way there, you're only paying, you've already got your bag included. In most airlines, you already have it included, because you do have to pay for extra bags. So if you were to take 2 bags out there on the way, they would charge you for the extra bag. It's between £60 to £100 depending on your airline. So if you put it inside your bigger case, that has already saved you £60 to £100 and you've already got your spare case. So then on the way back, you do have the extra case and you will have to pay for it, like I said, £60 to £100. However, if you still only had your original first case and you've gone over 23 kilograms, they will charge you probably, I don't know the exact amount, but it's round about the price of actually getting another suitcase. So you're better off just paying £60 to £100. I think it's about 60. It really depends what airline. BA and Virgin, I found it's about 60, but it's about $100 if you're in America flying on the way back. So you can pre-book your bags as well. I know you can with BA, but instead of paying, let's just say £60 for one extra candle or one extra bag of sweets that you've got and it's made it go over your limit, you can literally pay the same price and have an extra 23 kilos of luggage. So makes an awful lot of sense to me, and that's the way I do it, and I think that's how you should do it as well if you do need the extra baggage. But yeah, I just thought I'd share this little tip because I see so many people just saying, I'm just going to buy a bag out there, which you can do, but I just think if you already have one at home, you're going to save money and you know for a fact that you've got it with you kind of thing. You haven't then got to make the effort to go and find it out there. You can just enjoy your holiday. Okay, I'm so sorry for any background noise. Next door is doing their gardening, but this is the smaller size suitcase. And then next to it is the large one. So these do fit in there. One of these already has one in, but this is the height difference. So you want to get 2 cases. You want to have your large one, and then you want to have your little baby one, and then the baby is going to go inside the mummy. So yeah, and we're colour coordinated because we got a red, and in there is a baby blue one, which can go in there. But yeah, I'm just going to open this up and just show you what I mean. Literally got this brand new, and then after the first flight it came out all scrap. I don't know if I just mentioned, but I get Samsonite cases because they have got the TSA approved locks, and and they're so sturdy, so I know all my luggage is going to be safe. And here's the baby. See, look at it. So yeah, you just pack your small case, and then you put your small case in your big case, and there you go. So yeah, really, this is a brand new one that we got, by the way. It's been in the loft, so it's so dusty. And we get them in the outlet, so it was $229, got it for $160, and these are so good. You get, I think you get like a 10-year guarantee with them as well, but they're really sturdy. Highly recommend. But this is not about what cases I have, but they are all Samsonite. But yeah, just thought I'd show you that. So good. I hope that you enjoyed this little video, and I hope that you will use this tip. So don't forget to like and hit subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next video.